First, select the subject with any selection tool. If you are using Quick Selection tool, you can substack form the selection by holding Alt key. Now drag and drop your image on the first image. Right-click on the joint of the layer by holding the Alt key to create a clipping mask. Now desaturate the image a little bit and adjust levels. Make a layer mask. Take black as foreground color and paint with a soft brush. Make sure the mask is selected. Remember, black hides white shows up. Thanks for watching.